This is Sean at EcoPanels of Tennessee, and today we're going to be asking the question, do we offer plans? Now, not really. We do offer a little bit of help in that capacity because we can take any plan that you find on the internet. We've had people draw them on napkins before. As long as we can get a lot of the important information, such as length of the wall, height of the wall, and if we're doing roof panels, the pitch, then typically we can make it work. But we do not offer any plans right now. So the first part of our design process is going to be our designer, KP, will take your entire layout and she'll just do an overlay, kind of like how you see here. And she will just place all of your rough openings for your windows and doors in that first preliminary draft. From that point, she'll move on to an electrical draft. So in the electrical draft, you're going to have all the receptacles, all the switches, and how high they are on the elevation. So if they're yay high, switches are going to be about 48 inches, where your typical receptacle is going to be 18 inches. A lot of those really minute details are going to be really important during the design phase because we're trying to make sure that we get it all right the first time. We do not want to make any modifications on site if we can help it. So once she gets to the end of her process, she's going to have this whole layout here to where she's going to have the roof plan if you're going with roof panels, your layout, which shows the entire exterior of your home, and then elevations as well. So that's kind of what we're getting into for the most part, but we would love to see your designs. If you just want to email us, call us, we'd be happy to answer any of your questions.